All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, TGIF, it's Friday, and it is early for me anyways. It is a little after 8 o'clock in the morning here in Tampa, and I got a special video for you guys. I promised this a couple weeks ago, and I finally got a chance to come here on a Friday. This is a local in Tampa, kind of not a good part of neighborhood. Any of you that live around here, you'll know. This is the Swap Meet Flea Market near 22nd Avenue and Hillsborough Avenue, and it is not a good part of town, but this is a really popular flea market, and it's big, and it has a lot of everyday people, not vendors. These are people selling right out of their trunks of their cars and their vans. So I figured there might be some treasures to be found here. Let's go check it out on a Friday morning. They open up at I think 7 a.m. so it's a little after 8. I didn't get here right when they opened, but that's okay because it's pumping. There's a lot of people, it's busy, everyone's set up, so hopefully they've got all their stuff out and we can score some good stuff. I don't know how they're gonna feel about me filming, but I'm gonna try. If they get mad, I'll have to put the camera away. All right, here we go. Little look around. Gonna try to film a little bit, we'll see. Tons of stuff to see. I already bought one thing, check this out. I paid $3 for these, look them up. Sealed. They're called Fairy Lynn Moran Oracle cards. Anything cool like this. These are like $30 cards, 20 to 30. $3, not bad. Look at the pile of toys, pile of stuffed animals. Endless. This is like a bin picker right here, no doubt about it. Holy good lord, check this out. So just picked up these two for $2. This one found wasn't really working, this one is, but for $2 I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think about that? Guitars, fishing, check these cool things out. Pretty awesome liquor bottle. Very cool. Look at these awesome AC/DC shoes. They got like 3 pair. I gotta find out how much they are. These are very cool. The jeweled out hats. You guys probably know I'm into dragons a little bit. Thought I'd show you guys these cool Mario shoes. He wanted 5, a little bit too high for us, so still thought you guys want to see them.
I don't know what it is.
So much stuff stored in the van and laid out. So much stuff. Pretty cool old time radio too. How much is this radio, bud?
That one,
20. So definitely not what it used to be, not as many people here nearly. I find a lot of the Goodwill outlet bin people who pick up hard goods were here, and any of the clothes they had. I used to feel bad because I'd see people piling out like thousands of pieces of clothes, and I'm like, man, how are they finding all this good stuff? It's not, it's all junk. They're just selling here for $1, so they're picking it up for like 50 cents at the bin and selling it for $1. So I picked up a couple of things. I spent like 45 minutes here, not too bad, but I don't even know what I spent. I gotta look. Let me get into the car here and I'll show you guys. I think I got like 3 or 4 things, so let's see. All right, so I got these crazy Oracle cards. They're called Fairy Lenormand Oracle cards. I paid $3. These are sealed. I opened them up, I opened the lid up and they're sealed inside, so that's pretty good, $3. Probably sell for about 25 sealed. I bought this for $2, which is an auto reverse stereo. Some of these were like $16, $18, $20. Don't know if it works, no power supply. I took a shot at it for $2. But then also the guy had this crazy thing, which is the Sportsman Walkman FM/AM. And it does have the glass cover, but it's coming off, so I'll have to do a little bit of glue repair on that. So there it is. It opens up, again, no way to test it, but I mean, I could probably throw this up as is and make a few bucks, not really sure. And then the last thing I got, it's been a Jimi Hendrix kind of week. You guys saw that Jimi Hendrix shirt I got on Thrift Battle. If you didn't see it, check it out. But I also got another Jimi Hendrix shirt for $2. So I spent $2, $4, $7. Hopefully I can do about 50 or 60 bucks here. You know, 25, 30, 20, 25, hopefully 15, 20 on the Jimmy, and maybe some there. So $60, $70, I don't know, we'll have to see. Flea market was good. I wish there was more people here. Unfortunately not, but cool little pickup. So look for some swap meets and flea markets in your area. Maybe you can grab some stuff too. Easy to negotiate and really cheap prices.